Hey everybody, I am showcasing the soup challenge for this week, week number 2 of February. We're doing the miso soup, and I did not get started until later because I had some prior engagements that I had to do. So I decided I'm not going to go live. I'm just going to make a video for you guys and put it on up. But here is the thing. This is an easy soup, but it is going to be delicious. I can tell because I already tasted the broth. Oh my God. So I've always wanted to make homemade miso soup, and now we know how to do it because of our great recipe. And this is going to be in your planted box, planted wall shipment. You will have this month because this is the kind of featured recipe of all the soups. And I want to say we were able to find, I'm trying to figure out where it is, and I don't see it right now. We were able to work with a woman. Oh man, I don't know where it is. Okay, that's all right. It's in your box. It is dried seaweed. And what I did is it's a Santa Cruz company, and we're gonna post it when we post the video, the name of the company. She's got a website, you can buy on her website, but she makes amazing miso dressing. And I found this at the farmer's market in Los Gatos, and then she's all over like Santa Cruz farmer's markets and some of the peninsula ones. And she has amazing miso dressing, miso paste, and she has dried seaweed. And so we thought, and she was talking to us about all the probiotics and the enzymes that are in this miso and how important it is. And so we thought, oh my God, we have to feature yours when we're doing our soup challenge. So I got the dried seaweed that's in the pack that comes in your box, and I just soaked it for 5 minutes, like she said, and this thing just expanded. It's pretty funny. But anyway, so I'm gonna put that in at the very end. And this is so simple. This is what I did. You get a knob of ginger, you get a knob of turmeric, and you get about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. You peel off the outer, and I'm gonna keep this. See, this is my turmeric and ginger shavings, and I'm actually going to seep that into some hot water to make a tea, a ginger turmeric tea. I cannot wait. I love the taste of ginger turmeric tea. So I save that. So save your shavings. And what you do is you take those 3 items and you chop them up, and then you're going to add your 3 tablespoons of olive oil into your pot, and then you add those 3 spices into the olive oil. You heat that up a little bit, then you add your shiitake mushrooms. I added the shiitake mushrooms. You just kind of saute that a bit. I did, probably about pretty much like a container of shiitake mushrooms is what I added in there. I also chopped up my firm organic tofu. Okay, I chopped that up. I also put that in with the mushrooms, sauteed that for a bit, added the green onions, super easy peasy. And then once that was kind of nicely marinated, kind of sauteed through, you could see that the tofu and the mushrooms had absorbed some of the seasoning. I then added about 4 cups of water, and I took 3 to 4 tablespoons of miso paste. The recipe asked for red miso paste. I only had white miso paste, so I added that, and then just basically stirred it. You also add, before that you add soy sauce, and you add soy sauce and toasted sesame oil. Add that, and then you add the paste. The important thing is you want to add the paste at the very end because you want to keep those probiotics active. So I did add that to the very end, and then I stirred it up till the paste disintegrated kind of into the water, into the broth, made a wonderful broth, and then I turned it on low. I don't really want to overheat that. So my broth now is made, and I'm going to show it to you what it looks like. I tasted it. It's delicious. I can't believe I never made this before. But let me just kind of hold this because I don't want to burn my hand. I'll show it to you. So this is really this is kind of what it looks like. It's hard to see it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my bowl, just like I did last week, and I'm gonna put my bok choy from the wall. I'm just laying that into the bowl. I'm gonna add some green onions in there, and then I'm gonna ladle my soup over my leafy greens, and it's just gonna wilt that, just kind of cook the leafy greens just slightly, so they're still gonna be kind of crisp. The nutrients are still gonna be there, really bright, with the beautiful miso soup on top. And then I'm gonna take the seaweed that I am gonna, make sure, they said to kind of make sure you squeeze out the water, and then I'm gonna put that in the miso soup. And it's going to be excellent, because I can already tell because the broth is amazing. All right, guys, thank you so much. Hope this helps. I hope you enjoyed the challenges. Take pictures, post them. Take a time lapse of you making the soup. It's kind of fun. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.